There are several foods I recommend avoiding while intermittent fasting. First, wine. Wine can be great for the body, but it must be an organic wine. Most wines contain sulfur dioxide, a chemical that can cause headaches, skin irritations, and breathing problems. Wine also contains a lot of added sugar, and the grapes are sprayed with pesticides. You can see which wine brands I recommend at chantilrayway.com/wine. There are a lot of chemicals to avoid while intermittent fasting. High fructose corn syrup is a major one. Other artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, sucralose are also harmful for the body. Artificial coloring like yellow 6 and red 40 can also be toxic. Intermittent fasting allows you to eat what you want at restricted times, but there are food sensitivities of which to be wary. Here is a hypothetical list just to give you an example of what red, yellow, and green light foods would look like. Red light foods would be the foods I would know my body doesn't digest well, like gluten, dairy, or soy milk. Yellow light foods would be foods like corn, white rice, and white potatoes. Green light foods would be foods I know my body loves. Fruits, lean meats, and non-starchy vegetables are in this category. For more information, go to chantilrayway.com where you can get free fasting materials, listen to the podcast, or purchase the book.